In this video, we'll uncover the worst mistake in architectural animations that is prevalent in today's media and how we can fix that. I will also share with you some quick solutions for creating cinematic animations. If you've been following my videos, you know how passionate I am in mastering the fundamentals of composition. It's the foundation of creating powerful and visually compelling images. To help you refine your skills and avoid common mistakes, I've created a composition guide packed with practical tips. So don't forget to grab your copy through the link in the description below. Having a bad shot composition is the biggest issue that needs to be addressed immediately. These are scenes that feel unbalanced, random, or don't tell a story. There's plenty of reasons why this happens, but in most cases, it comes down to 3 common mistakes. First, ignoring fundamental composition rules like the rule of thirds and leading lines, both of which help create balance and direct focus. Second, using static or uninspired camera movements that fail to guide the viewer's eye, making the scene feel lifeless. And finally, over-relying on wide-angled shots, which can stretch perspectives and make spaces feel unnatural instead of immersive. Here are the best ways to instantly improve your shot composition. First, make it a habit to use the rule of thirds. Frame your shots with key focal points at intersections. Second, incorporate leading lines. Guide the viewer's eye naturally through the space. Lastly, experiment with depth of field. Focus on key elements while softening the background. Again, if you want to improve your composition skills, grab my composition guide by using the link in the description. Even with great composition, random or unnatural camera movements can mess up your animation. Here's what to do instead. Use slow and controlled camera movements. No sudden or extreme pans. Another is to match the movement speed or pacing of the story. Fast cuts for fast-paced scenes and slow tracking for elegant spaces. Your work isn't done after rendering. Post-processing is where the magic happens. There are many ways to go around this, but for simplicity's sake, you can follow this workflow. You can use Lightroom to batch edit all your images. Lightroom is perfect for color grading, exposure correction, and sharpening. To speed up my workflow, I created 10 presets, where each preset resembles a specific mood. This way, I can just edit my images in one click and make minor tweaks if needed. You can check out all these Lightroom presets in the description. For final touch-ups, you can use After Effects. This is great for introducing subtle effects to enhance depth, adding motion blur for more fluid motion realism, or simply just for stitching the entire image sequence into a video. Mastering the skill to spot this mistake and knowing how to fix it can definitely transform your animations, making them more cinematic, engaging, and visually compelling. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level, check out my composition guide and Lightroom preset pack. All the links are provided in the description section below. If you want to learn more about architectural visualizations, watch this next video right here.